Hi everyone, my name is Jermaine Tano. I am the President and CEO of Quantimal Consulting. I would like to thank you all for attending this webinar. You know how deep companies are drawn in a sea of data. Well, what we do at Quantimal Consulting is to help companies organize their data and extract business value from it in order to improve their performance and increase their profitability. In today's webinar, I would like to talk about big data analytics for managers. In this webinar, you will learn proven techniques to extract business value from your data. In the first part of the webinar, I will talk about enterprise analytics. Here we will see the different roles, the different analytical roles in the company, and also the demand for analytics in the enterprise. In the second section, I will answer the question, what is big data? And also another question I will answer is, where all these data are coming from? I will also introduce Hadoop, the technology behind big data. And the last section, we will see the different forces, the different driving forces of big data analytics. I will talk about machine learning, and I will introduce some machine learning techniques you can use to improve your business, to find also solution to your business problems. So let's start with the first section, enterprise analytics. To support the growth of big data, we will need to hire well-trained managers. So it's very important to, if you are working with analytical people, as a manager, is fundamental for them to be able to understand what they are doing. So I'm going to give you some information about the demand for data-savvy managers. The consulting firms McKinsey estimates that 1.5 million more data-savvy managers and between 140,000 and 190,000 new roles for analytical talent are needed to support the growth of big data in the future. In Canada, a recent report by Canada's Big Data Consortium says that Canada big data talent gap is estimated between 10,500 and 19,000 professionals to fill positions such as chief data officer, data scientist, and data architect. To take advantage of big data, you will need to build a team, a data science team. To select a member, look for someone with analytical skills and talent at the junction or intersection of mathematics, computer science, statistics, and business expertise. A typical data scientist has 5 key characteristics. A data scientist is a hacker. He is a scientist also. A data scientist is a quantitative analyst. He is a trusted advisor, and most important, he is also a business expert. As you can see, this is a lot of things to find in one person, and in reality it's very challenging to find all these skills in only one person. So as a manager, what can you do to build a data science team? The solution is to adopt a multidisciplinary approach. When you are putting your team together, think of having some data architects. It's good to have data architect in your team. The data architect will design data system and related processes. Other people to have are data engineers. Data engineer will scale data solution and build the products. And of course, you will need to hire data scientists. Data scientists are people who will analyze data with advanced techniques, and they will also develop insights. And you will need what we call business translator. Business translator are people who have both technical and domain-specific business knowledge. We have identified 5 sources of demand for analytics in the enterprise. The first source is strategic analytics. C-level executive need analytics. We call strategic analytic any analytics that support strategic decisions. At this level, you will need to design dashboards, and you need to be able also to manipulate data visualization tools to show your findings in an easy way to understand for business executive, managers, and your staff. The second source of demand for analytics in the enterprise is managerial analytics. You need analytics to manage a business unit, especially business function like human resources, marketing, and finance needs analytics for the daily operations. And this includes performance management and business planning. The third source of demand for analytics in the enterprise is operational analytics. You need data insight to improve your business operation. And analytics has played a huge role in improving business processes in companies. And the fourth source of demand for analytics in the enterprise is developmental analytics. Your company need insight to support the development of new products and services. And the last source of demand for analytics in the enterprise is differentiating. Differentiating is about how do you stand out, and you need analytics not only for your internal client, internal customer, is what I just mentioned in the previous sources. You also need analytics for your external customer. Your external customer are your client. And you can use analytics to improve your customer experience. You can use analytics to delight your customer.